Hi! In front of me is iPhone 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose Passwords and Security here. Then tap on Face Unlock and enter your current screen lock. Finally, read the disclaimer, choose Start and wait 5 seconds. Then choose Next in the pop-up. Now remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Finally, you can name your face data however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and tap on Done. Now you can adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on all of those switchers. And when you're ready, click on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!